What's going on, everyone? Welcome to EMT. My name's Emad, and today we're going to be building my very first PC. Is this going to be an epic fail? Let's find out. Stay tuned. We have the Thermaltake power supply. This is a 700 watt power supply, 80 plus. Very good power supply for the money. It also leaves room for upgradability. This is not the modular one. Again, I don't care too much for aesthetics. If you care for aesthetics, go with a Corsair modular or one of the other modular ones. Just make sure it's 80 plus. Just means it's a little bit better. All right, y'all. Now let's unbox the power supply. Let's see how we're going to do this here. So, Thermaltake, please do not burn my house down. I'm just joking. This is an 80 plus unit. It's actually heard really good things about it. So, don't worry, guys. This should be all right. Alright. Okay, so. Ta-da! The power supply. What do we got here? Chinese instructions? Comes pre-coronavirus. Oh gosh. Interesting. Okay, don't need any of that. Thermaltake, cool all your life. Oh, this is interesting. We don't need any of that. Okay, so cables going to the important section. Silica gel. Do not eat this. Alright, let's pull that guy out. Phone piece. And we don't need that. Alright. So this is the non-modular. Again, it has cables coming out of every thing you can think of. Jeez. Alright. So it comes in a little poppy bag. I'm going to save that for my wife because she likes that kind of stuff. Alright. So this is the power supply. On, off, power. Well, it looks pretty standard, I guess. 700 watts, so it should handle a lot of power for a long time. So, alright. That's that. Now let's get this guy installed into the case along with the motherboard right after. Alright. So we're going to get all our tools out of the way. I'm going to move the motherboard to a safer location off to the side there. I'm going to keep all of these important looking cables and stuff off to the side as well, because I'm going to be laying this board here down. Alright, so let's lay it on the side. Alright. I don't know if you guys can see that, but right there it looks like it's a little dust filter, and it's obviously made to have the fan, I guess, pointed down. Yes, because then the power button up and down. Even though the words are upside down, always go by the power button. Alright. Again, guys, please don't take me seriously. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. This is my first time doing this. So, I guess we're just going to drop this in there. There's a lot of wires. I think I'm definitely doing something wrong. Oh gosh. Okay, well, let's stand this up on its face here. Okay, yeah, so 4 screws. Yeah, 4 screws. Right there. I don't know where these screws are, guys. Did it come with the case? Huh. That's interesting. Where'd I put the screws? So, yeah, I think they did come with the case. Here's the whole bunch of screws and stuff. So, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it just says A. So, I'm trying to find what A is. Oh! Hexagon 6x32. Okay. So, there they go. Those are them. Okay. Oh. So, I'm just gonna prop this kind of up with my hand there. There's probably easier ways of doing this. I'm just gonna put that in there. I'm just going to get about all of those started there. Alright, so you just want to tighten them down. Alright, I'm not using too much pressure, I just want to make sure they are pretty snug. I work on cars too, so don't over tighten stuff is what I've learned. Alright, so whatever this is installed now. Moving on. Thank you for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. This is just one part of a whole series I'm going to put out about how to build that PC right there, get it up and running and everything like that. I'm also going to be throwing down the whole build episode as well, from the beginning of the case build all the way up to when we plug it in and get it running. Remember, guys, if you like this video, like, share, subscribe. It really helps me out. If you have any comments or questions or anything, comment below. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you.